Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Wisdom International School's digital classroom for mathematics. So children, we are going to continue with cubes and cube root lesson. Okay. So we in the previous session I taught you how to find the cube of numbers, right? Now we are going to find the cube root of numbers. Now this is how it will be written. See, when you see this symbol, this means it is like cube root. Okay, it's read as cube root. Now if I write 3 here and then I write 8 for example, this means it's cube root of 8. This is what I mean. Okay, now what does cube root of 8 mean? I know that 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, right? So cube root of 8 is asking you to find a number which multiplied 3 times gives you this 8. Like for example, here 2 is the number which multiplied 3 times. If I multiply 2 3 times, I get 8. So cube root of 8 is 2. Okay, cube root of 8 is 2. This means that if I multiply 8 3 times, if I multiply 2 3 times, I'll be getting 8. Okay, so here you see, if I say 1 cube is 1, then cube root of 1 will be 1. Now if I say 2 cube is 8, then cube root of 8 is 2. So that means that 2 cube means that 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So cube root of 8 will be just one single 2. Okay. And if I say 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. So cube root of 27 is going to be simply 3. So similarly, cube root of 64 is going to be 4, because 4 cube is 64. And cube root of 125 is equals to 5. Okay. So this way we have written few cube roots. Now here you see, come to this cube root of 1000. Okay. So this is the like when it ends with a 0, we can, if you have 3 zeros, these 3 zeros will come out as 1 0. So cube root of 1000 is going to be 1 0 for the 3 zeros and 1 for the 1. Okay. And now if I have 8000, cube root of 8000, if I ask you, it's going to be 3 zeros will come out as 1 0, and cube root of 8 is 2, so the answer is 20. Okay. So each 3 zeros will come out as 1 0. So now if I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros for example, then cube root of this is going to be, these 3 zeros will come out as 1 0, these 3 zeros will come out as 1 0, and the 1 will come out as 1. Okay, cube root of 1 is 1. So this is the answer. Okay, so now I'll show you how to find the cube root of any number using prime factorization. Okay, so this is what is prime factorization, this method. Okay, 64. So 2 32s are 64, 2 16s are 32, 2 into 8 is 16, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 2 is 4, and 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, so now when I take this, okay, I write down what are the 64 could be written as, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 6 2s are there. So cube root of 64 will be, you have 3 2's. So here, since it's cube root, 3 given over here, I'm going to combine, make them in 3 groups. Okay, groups of 3. So these 3 2's will come out as 1 2, and these 3 2's will come out as another 2. So the answer is 2 into 2, which is 4. Okay, similarly for this one. Okay, so now here again I have written 2 2's are 4, then 2 5's are 10, and then 1 carries through the 12, so 2 6 are 12. Same way 2 128's are 256. Okay, you can just check the division. 2 64's are 2 6 are 12, 2 4's are 8. Okay, and 64. So 2 32's are 64, 2 16's are 18, 2 8's are 16, 2 4's are 8, and 2 2's are 4, and 2 1's are 2. Okay, so now I again group them in 3's. Okay, I can group it here itself. So these 3 2's come out as 1 2, these 3 2's come out as 1 2, and these 3 come out as 1 2. Okay, so the answer for cube root of 5 1 2 is going to be 2 into 2 into 2, which is actually 8. Okay, so that gives you 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. Okay, so now come to this one. 27,000. See, there's a very easy method of doing this. 27,000, cube root of 27,000, right? So the 3 zeros, as I told you, will come out as 1 0, and cube root of 27 is 3. So the answer is 30th. Okay. Yeah, now come to this one. So here again, these 3 2's will come out as 1 2, and these 3 11's will come out as 1 11. So the answer is going to be 22. Okay. Yeah. So let me yeah, so I've shown you the 27 cube root of 27 earlier, right? Cube root of 27,000 is going to be 30. Okay. Now here, this I have shown the division here. Again, you can just check it. Okay. See how do I do it? This 2 5's are 10, then 2 3's are 6, and 2 2's are 4, and 2 4's are 8. Okay. And that's how I do this also. So 2 2's are 4. 1 goes and gets carried over here, 13. So 2 6's are 12, and again 1 gets carried over here and gets 12. 2 6's are 12, and 2 2's are 4. Okay. So that's how I do it. So you just check it out. Okay. So now we'll come to the second question, straight true or false. So it says cube of any odd number is even. So that's false, right? Because last time we learned cube of a odd number is going to be a odd number, and cube of an even number is also going to be an even number. Okay. So this is a false statement. So the second question says a perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. So as I told you, it is supposed to have 3 zeros, right? It's supposed to have 3 zeros. It can't end with 2 zeros, right? If it ends with 2 zeros, then it's like, you can't take out the cube root of that particular number. It has to be 3 zeros, okay? So this is true. Now, if square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. So that's not true, okay? So you can check that. You just see 5 square is 25, and okay, so let's say 25 square. Okay, 25 square is going to give you 625, and 25 cube is going to give you something else. It will not end with 25, it will end with 75. Okay, you can check this out. Alright, so this is a false statement. So there is no perfect cube with which ends with 8. This is also false, because 8 is itself is a perfect cube, right? So there are numbers which end with 8. So this is a false statement. Okay, now the next one, the cube of 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. So now if you take 2-digit number, okay, let us take the smallest 2-digit number. Like the smallest 2-digit number is 10, right? So if you take the cube of 10, it's going to be 3 zeros, right? So it's a 4-digit number. So even the smallest 2-digit number is turning out to be a 4-digit number. So there is no way you can get a 3-digit number. So this is a false statement. The next one says the cube of 2-digit number may be 7 or more digits. Now if you see, the largest small 2-digit number is 99. 99 cube, if you check, it's going to be a 6-digit number, okay? So then that's why we say that, it cannot be 7 or more digits, okay? The maximum number you may get is just 6, okay? Not more than that. So the last one is the cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. Yeah, so here you see cube of a single digit number, say let's say 1. 1 is a single digit number. Cube of 1 is going to be 1. So that's working out. Say take 2. 2 cube is going to give you 8. So these are also a single digit number. So this is a true statement, okay? So copy all these things in your classwork. Complete the whole exercise in your classwork, okay? So this chapter is over. Inshallah, I'll see you next week with a new chapter. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.